Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Office applications for free and create any Word, Excel, PowerPoint document or edit any existing document in your computer. Other than basic applications, there are a few more applications given to you for free by Microsoft, like Designer, where you can design any social media posts, advertisements, and productive applications like OneNote, Forms, and there's Family Safety. So I'm gonna go through them and give you an overall idea about what's free from Microsoft, so stay tuned. First of all, you need to create a Microsoft account. You need to sign up for a free account. You can create a brand new account. You need to go to office.com and sign up for a new account. You can use your Gmail email address or any other email address to sign up. And after you sign up, when you log in, you get to this page. This is the main home screen. So you can start a document from here. Or if I go to apps, I can see all the free apps which is given to me. And if I want to create a Word document, I just select Word, and I can use create a blank document, or I can create one using these templates. And you can see all the recent documents which I have been working on. And if I click blank, it will open up web version of Word for me. It's having all the features which you have in a desktop version, so it's all the tools are there you can use for free. So if I type in something here, as I type in, it will start to save. You can see two arrows going around, and now it's a tick with a cloud icon. That means it's saved into my OneDrive. So if I click on this arrow, I can rename this document, and I put a name, I click away, and it will start to save, and I can see it up here as well. And you have fully featured Word version, online version. And if I want to download a copy of this document, I can go to File, Save As, and download the Word version of the document or PDF version. You have on the right hand, you can see there are templates which is coming up. You can play around with clicking on these and just loading one of them. So same as Word, if I open if I want to create a Excel document, I can go to Excel and select from these templates or start a blank one. And I have one which I created as a dummy, which I put in a table, and created a pie chart from that. And I can run formulas in here, and it's just the same. You can put in new formulas here. I was typing in VLOOKUP, and put any formula here. It will work as same as the desktop version. Furthermore, if I look at PowerPoint, the same thing. You can create a new one from there, creating a blank document. And an online version, what I have seen is that it gives you a bit of AI, I guess. So here you can see there are different templates, so I can select one of the templates, and it will drop to my slide. So if I go to insert a new picture, and I go to stock images, and I'm gonna select one of these images, insert. What it's gonna do is it's gonna blend with the existing slide, that image. It's gonna blend and give me different designs, which is really cool. I just need to select one of these here and add any text or edit existing boxes. I can add anything from there and create my slides. So pretty much that's the main applications. So next question is, how do I edit any file in my computer using the web version? Always you can upload the file to your OneDrive and edit from there, but there's another way you can do that while you keep your files in your computer. For that, you need to go to OneDrive. If you look at your computer right hand bottom corner, you should be able to see this cloud icon, OneDrive icon. If you can't see this, you can just need to search for OneDrive and select this, and it will show this icon on the right hand bottom corner. You click on that, initially it will ask you to sign in. You can use the same email and the password, sign in, and after while you're going through that, it will ask you whether you want to back up your desktop documents and pictures. So you just need to enable that and click yes and backup. If you have older version of the OneDrive, you might see this kind of a window. You just need to tick that and start backup. So after doing that, it will start to sync your desktop with the online version. So you can see there are a few documents in my desktop, and it's having this green tick, which it means that it's backing up to the OneDrive online version. So if I go back, I can go to OneDrive, I can see those documents there in the online version, and desktop I can see these files here. So let's say I have another document which I have in different location which I need to edit. So I'm just gonna click and drag and drop here. So it starts to sync to my OneDrive. So after syncing, it will give me this green tick, which it means it's synced to my OneDrive. So I can go back and refresh the page. That document appears here now, so I can click on that and start to edit and do any changes. If I put in something here, and it will start to save back to my desktop version. As you can see, there are spelling mistakes, something that which the online version does as well. You can select the correct spellings and it will correct and save. So if I go back to my desktop, this file, it will take sometimes few seconds to sync back to your computer. So you need to wait for that, and you can use this file and attach your different email. Maybe you are having a different email open in a different browser. You might be applying for new jobs and you need to keep changing your cover letter. So you can use the online version, and so suddenly, I mean, just now it synced back to my computer. It was for a small second, it just was showing those two arrows going around. That means it's synced. So as I was saying, like, you can edit the file, online version, then attach your email and send out your files to someone you want to send it to. So that's how you change your files online version and keep it in your local computer. So as I can see, this video is taking longer, so I'm gonna do a second video with the other tools which are given to you for free by Microsoft. There are cool applications like Designer, productive applications like Forms or Power Automate. So thanks for watching this video, and check out my next video as well, and have a great day.